Hello guys, welcome another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install AnyDesk in your mobile phone and how to access any computer with the help of AnyDesk through your mobile app. Here you see the application show in your Google Play Store. I'm already installed this application in mobile phone. Now I'm open this application in my mobile phone. Here you see the all my old session with them take with the other system. The one system is online and the other one is offline. Show by the red icon show on the screen. Now and try to access my not my system. In my last video, I'm telling about how to set the password so you can access the system with the help of password. Now add the address of the system here is left side here then 9275259. So you can see type the address and now it show me the whenever you install first time on it in your mobile phone and show you some setting or introduce me the how to use the index in your mobile phone. So just click. Now we try to connect with the other computer. In my last video, I'm gonna show you how to set the password if you don't know how to set the password on the other computer, so you can access the other computer by the password. For kindly watch my last video that I'm upload on my channel. Now I'm every enter the password here you can see the key of the other computer show on my mobile phone, and usually I'm controlling my arrow through the mobile phone app. You see my laptop clicking. Yeah, you can do anything from the dear for this. I usually can see the I'm accessing my drive. Yeah, maybe I start to off on there. Hey, thanks for them my YouTube channel there. For another everything that and now I'm going to show you how the different feature of the AnyDesk. Here is the setting. Here is the keyboard option. If I click on this, you see the all function keys are shown in front of your mobile phone app. If I click on this, you see the simple typing keyboard appear on this and is only type on your screen. So I'll cancel this. Now if you click on this is the keyboard from your screen. Now you can type anything in here. Anything with the help of an effect to your desktop. So now I'm open the command and right out of draft. As I'm clicking OK, you can see that it showing that my computer window version. So there you didn't type anything you want. And now this option allow me to the mouse setting. This both options allow me to the mouse setting. This option allow me to simple text and type option. Now here is the screen. I'm select on this. Just select your screen if I'm click, but I'm not. If you want to take session on the computer and don't want the other person see what are you doing on his system, then you select this option. This option allow you this option simply the blank the other computer screen, but the desktop of the other computer show on your mobile phone. Select this option if that's mean only I am seeing other person computer screen, not the other person's desktop. And this option can show you the other setting. And this option show you the restart the session again if you but I'm not saying try to restart the session again. So I'm click on cancel. This often cognitively task manager of sending some criticism. You can involve this species with users, sign out, change password, open the task manager, perfect. And then share this. This option provides you the complete information of the user system, directory, the device name on the system, RAM, CPU, and other authentication and file software checking. I hope this is enough for people, especially, and I hope that you like my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video to the other person who don't know how to use that. And it is on your iPhone. It's very helpful video for that person. Please share and like my video. Thank you so much for watching.